Well, tonight, a jury's been selected in a trial that will once again focus the nation's attention on the 2017 Unite the Right rally in Charlottesville, Virginia. The jury will decide whether the organizers should be held accountable for the violence that turned deadly. CBS's Jeff Pegues is there.
Today in court, the jurors were sworn in as some of the defendants, self-proclaimed neo-Nazis and white nationalists, looked on. During the Unite the Right rally in 2017, Jews will not replace us! White nationalists marched through the streets. They carried torches and clashed with counter-protesters. Until a car driven by neo-Nazi James Fields plowed into a crowd, killing Heather Heyer.
The goal of this lawsuit, first and foremost, is justice for our plaintiffs and accountability for those responsible for the violence 4 years ago.
Amy Spitalnik is the executive director of Integrity First for America, which brought the lawsuit on behalf of some of the victims of the violence.
The facts are clear. This was a conspiracy motivated by racism.
The plaintiffs believe that they will prove their case by highlighting social media chats and text messages.
I think ultimately Charlottesville was good for our movement. But
among the defendants, Richard Spencer, who was one of the rally organizers, will claim that there was no conspiracy and they had a First Amendment right to protest. But messages between Spencer and rally organizer and defendant Jason Kessler reveal this exchange. "We're raising an army, my liege, for free speech, but the cracking of skulls if it comes to it." The violence that day haunts Liz Sines.
I heard screams. I heard this awful sound.
One of the plaintiffs who narrowly escaped injury when the car hit Heather Heyer.
I don't think I will ever not be scared.
Her name is on the court docket, Sines v. Kessler. The plaintiffs are going to use something called the Ku Klux Klan Act, which was put on the books in the late 1800s to combat attacks on African Americans. Norah.
Hard to believe. Jeff Pegues, thank you.